Welcome back to my CryptoQ Media channel. It's great to have you back. We will now delve into XRP. I will also address a few of other topics. There is a long stake for Monica in the Rippling vs SEC litigation. The two-headed dragon that is the SEC's legal action and the XRP price's inactivity is what she calls Ripple's problem. But the waves caused by the fire were unaffected. President Monica Long is reorienting the country. She claims that with the judge's recent ruling that XRP is not a security, Ripple is now free to expand its ecosystem. This change allows Ripple to shift its focus to developing custody solutions and improving the XRP ledger payment systems. As a result of the SEC case, Ripple was able to expand its partnerships with medical professionals and become a global firm. But what if the wave of consequences and the SEC action never happened? As a result, the XRP captain sought advice from a chatbot. What follows is the end product of the chatbot's efforts. The regulatory environment surrounding XRP would become very clearer if the case were to be dropped, which would entice institutions who are wary about investing in projects with murky legal futures. To get a ballpark figure, one may look at how other major cryptocurrencies have fared in comparison to data from before the lawsuit. However, it remained merely a prediction. Since the lawsuit was filed, most industry professionals believe that the price of XRP would have been much higher. This would indicate that the cryptocurrency has a lot of potential and is being widely used in the market. As of right now, I still believe the Ripple vs SEC case is impacting the XRP price. If that lawsuit had never occurred, we would likely be trading above 5 at the moment. However, I do think that instance had to happen at that specific time for a reason. Preventing XRP from increasing is the only aim. But it happened in 2018. But now we're in the year 2024. At the moment, people are talking about micropayments and real-time payments. I think we're getting close to the point when you can buy a cup of coffee with XRP through a Ripple transaction. That stage is quickly approaching. And rules will cause that to happen. Regulatory hurdles are the biggest problem preventing cryptocurrency from reaching its full potential right now, in my opinion. Conversely, regulations are also coming soon. Here, Ripple can take the place of the Federal Reserve. You need to find out how to produce ripples in the new Federal Reserve if you want to thrive, Ashley. Personally, I've stated it before, Ripple is essentially a bank that's stealing customers away from the Federal Reserve. That seems just amazing. However, how likely is it that it will actually take place? It follows that Ripple should follow the Federal Reserve's lead in implementing these policies. With the support of authoritative figures, massive changes to the law would be required. Congress would have to enact a bill to dismantle the Fed. Only a small group of lawmakers currently have it as their objective. Any business aspiring to play the function of the Federal Reserve must first secure the appropriate authorizations from various regulatory bodies, including the Treasury and the SEC. As things stand, Gary is still in command at the SEC. Definitely not happening. The new organization would need to demonstrate its ability to manage monetary policy, which includes interest rates, inflation, and the money supply, in order to take over from the Federal Reserve. Therefore, Ripple may also be able to handle that. Without a shadow of a doubt, they would figure it out. Integrating the XRP banking system with the XRP ledger is crucial for ensuring smooth operations. Included in this are activities such as clearing and settlement, payment system management, and liquidity delivery to banks. That is what Ripple is currently trying to accomplish. The Federal Reserve currently processes enormous volumes of data and transactions, and Ripple has developed and maintains an expandable, highly secure, and reliable infrastructure that can communicate with other big financial systems like SWIFT and ACH Fedwire. Protect the banking industry from cybercriminals and safeguard it with strong cybersecurity measures. A central bank should prioritize gaining the trust of individuals, businesses, and other banking institutions. The audience's questioning in courtroom 1700. The XRP ledger and XRP itself are the most stable assets and blockchains now in existence. Non-disclosure agreements (NDAs) also contribute to economic stability and enable the Federal Reserve to effectively manage crises. Leadership that is both transparent and trustworthy shapes the administration in an accountable and open manner. Important policy decisions would be made by a board of directors or a similar institution. Concluding remarks. International teamwork contribute to the preservation of a stable global economy in conjunction with other monetary authorities and international monetary bodies. Bhutanese Bank of America, the premier World Bank, and the Bank of England Federal Reserve, European Central Bank, World Bank, etc. All of those organizations are now part of Ripple's network. All kinds of money, digital and physical, as well as LUSD, can be printed through currency issue. This includes all kinds of money from a single lender of last resort. Build liquidity pools, establish a lender of last resort to halt bank runs, and guarantee funds when times go rough financially. Finding qualified candidates. It is commonly known that Ripple employs experts. Looking at the people who work at Ripple R&D and invest in ongoing research can help strengthen the financial system and react to new economic concerns. In order to ensure a smooth transition of responsibilities from the Federal Reserve to the new institution without causing any economic disruption, a comprehensive strategy was designed to inform the public and international community about the changes, their benefits, and the new procedures. I am not stating that Ripple will succeed where the Federal Reserve has failed, but they certainly have a good shot. I feel the same way about that. Furthermore, a lot of people have noticed this as we've gone along. If you could subscribe and give my channel a like, I would be incredibly grateful. As we part ways, I will see you in the next video.